Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious potato salad, perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this delicious and amazing potato salad. These are the ingredients. I have salt, black pepper, mustard, pickles, mixed vegetables, mayonnaise, sour cream, potato, Russell potatoes, eggs, and it's everything we need to enjoy a homemade potato salad. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the potato, and of course my daughter is helping me make this amazing potato salad. And here the potatoes have been rinsed really good through running water, and she is taking off the skin. Look at this. Cut it through the center. Make sure that you cut your potatoes in large pieces, and let me show you how they look. Look at this. I have them in water so that they don't brown, and I'm going to rinse them really good, and then I am going to add clean water. Okay, I have rinsed them. They're in clean water. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, and I'm going to take it to the stove and start cooking my amazing potatoes. And here I want to continue making this delicious dressing. I have here some mayonnaise. Of course that you're gonna have all the ingredients in the description box so that you can enjoy this amazing potato salad. Sour cream. This potato salad comes out delicious with all these amazing flavors. I am sure your family is going to love it. I have the mustard here. I'm going to add and incorporate everything in here. This dressing comes out really thick, creamy, and delicious. Remember, the salt is to taste. I am adding my salt, I'm adding my black pepper, and I'm going to incorporate it really good before I add the pickles. Mix it really well until everything is incorporated and the mustard has really combined into the rest of the ingredients. Now I'm going to taste. Tastes amazing. I'm going to put it aside, and I'm going to continue by chopping away my pickles, the slices of pickles. You decide how big or how small. You want that crunch of the pickles. The flavor of the pickles really elevate this potato salad. My mouth is already watering. These pickles are amazing. You could just enjoy them just like that. And now let me show you how I have diced the pickles. Okay? And now I'm going to continue with the rest. Once you have all your pickles nice and diced, you're going to add it into the creamy and delicious dressing. You're going to add your mixed vegetables, and you are going to incorporate it really good. Look at this. Nice and incorporated. Of course, this potato salad is going to have eggs. I am going to first boil some water before I add the raw eggs into it. This is done. I have a pan with boiling water, and now I'm ready to start adding the eggs. Once the water is boiling, add your eggs into the water. cook them for only 15 minutes, no more than 15 minutes. Your eggs are going to come out perfect. Put a timer because you only want to cook your eggs for 15 minutes. The potatoes have been cooking, and now let's see how they are. They are ready. They are al dente. Now the eggs are ready, and I am ready to start putting through a sifter all the potato, making sure that I remove all the excessive water. Once this is done, I'm going to transfer it back to the same pan. And look at this. Look at how chunky it is. I'm going to take the water out of the eggs, and then I'm just going to crush a little bit the potato. I still want the potato to be chunky, so I'm just going to press it a little bit, and then I'm just going to mix it with the spoon. Make sure that you leave your potatoes still chunky with some large pieces. Once this is done, of course, you're going to add the mixture of the creamy dressing, the creamy with the veggies, with the pickles. Once you add everything in here, you are going to incorporate, making sure that the potato is covered with this creamy and delicious dressing. Look at this. Once you have incorporated really good, then you are going to continue with your hard-boiled eggs. This is how we're going to get the skin out of every single boiled egg. It's very easy to remove. Remember always to add your eggs into boiling water, and then just cook it for 15 minutes. And now I am ready to start cutting my eggs in squares so that we could add it into the salad. The potato salad. Look at this. You decide how big or how small you want this egg into your potato salad. Once you're done with all your eggs, then it is time to incorporate the egg into the potato salad. Once this is done, just incorporate it and enjoy this amazing and delicious potato salad. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, to leave me a thumbs up, to share this video, and now I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy this potato salad with so many dishes, but I can't wait to taste it. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy.
My friends, I am completely done with this delicious and amazing potato salad. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. My mouth is already watering and I can't wait to enjoy it. I wish you guys were here, excuse me. And explosions of flavor. This potato salad is perfect for this hot weather. The combination of all the ingredients make this potato salad perfect. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you make it and you enjoy it with your beautiful family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you didn't, Leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.